Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $19,307. 24-hour volume, we're up 3.70%, and market cap, we're up 1.28%. So, heading over to our weekly chart, I'm going to cover over our daily chart and also 4 hours for immediate short term. But taking a look so far for the week, we do have ultimately the end of today and tomorrow as well, but it's not looking too good as we can see the construction of this candlestick is looking like a spinning top candlestick, which again, in an uptrend, it does look like an exhaustion of the uptrend itself, and price may very come back down. As we can see, we are at the midpoint or at the same candlestick wick at the very bottom here as September 19th. I did show you guys this just yesterday's video as low achieved at 18,900 or sorry, 18,100. So again, if this is a spinning top candlestick and we do end in tomorrow's candlestick in this formation, then price may actually come back down for Bitcoin. So heading over to our daily chart here, we do see this gorgeous green candle as we are coming up. But not only that, we do see a test of a retest of our resistance line of our 20 moving average here. Now, one of the things we take a look at is a indicator, which I love, which is the RSI indicator here. And we can see our K line and our D line has crossed over from yesterday's candlestick, which initiated a good ultimate selling order here. So as we can see, or sorry, buying order, because we can see the white line itself, our K line is on the right hand side of our pink line, which is our D line, which again is going to retest our 20 moving average. But if we take a look at the historical moving average of 20 moving average, we can see a few rejections down, coming down to an area of support here, which is the 18,900. So even though the gorgeous green candle itself came up, actually retested our 50 retracement line, this is going to be a test here in the next couple of days to see if we can ultimately break over our 20 moving average. As we can see, the MACD indicator, which does measure movement, moved from the red to the green. However, the lines itself is moving really closely together. And if we want to keep the momentum of this green momentum itself, and hopefully for a bull rally, we essentially want to have these lines further apart so the momentum itself can grow even stronger. Now, heading over to immediate short term for 4 hours, yesterday's video, we did find an area of interest, an area of confluence, roughly around the 19,200 here. Now we can see it was near our 20 moving average and our 50 moving average. So again, it adds more interest at this dollar point or this area in our chart. And we can see huge gains as well as we moved from our MACD indicator from the red into the green as the price was approaching this area of confluence, so this area of interest. Now, what we can see in this green candle, it did initiate a sell order as the price was considered to be overbought with our RSI. We can see the K line, our white line is at 100%, and our D line is at 99%, initiating that sell order here. Now, as we can see here in the green candle, the shaven top, or there's no wick at the very top as well. So it does show a lot of buying power. Now we can see the red has already initiated as we knew it was going to be considered as overbought. Now, as we can see, the Bollinger Bands, they pinched in ever so slightly. So what we can anticipate is that there is going to be a breakout for Bitcoin. Essentially, when these Bollinger Bands squeeze in, lower volatility go into expanding into a higher volatility. So we are going to be waiting for that breakout. And what is actually really nice here to see in a 4-hour time frame is that we closed above our 20 moving average. If we can keep that momentum and closing above the moving average 20, then we are essentially going to break out in an uptrend. But this could possibly be a false breakout. We do want to be very, very cautious of that. And we know we are considered to be overbought here. So price ultimately may retrace downwards. I'm just going to do a quick new fib chart from there to there. And normally the golden numbers that we're looking at is 78% to 61%. But our next line of course of action of a retracement level, if this is a false breakout for Bitcoin, is coming down to the 19,211, because again, we are considered to be overbought. However, if the MACD indicator is as strong as we want it, and we are growing these blocks here or these histograms, and we are moving in the right direction of this momentum, then price might just come back down to the 61%, which is the 19,263, and then continue itself up in hopes to come up to the top of the Bollinger Band here, which is a little optimistic of the price itself. If we take a look at the top of the Bollinger Band is 19,800. But essentially, if we do have the movement grow strong with our MACD indicator, then essentially that may be a target that's more realistic. So that is my video for Bitcoin, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like that button for me. Also, if you're new to the channel, subscribe down below, but I'll see you next time. Bye.